The attitude of gratitude is the name of the game. If we allow ourselves to let go of all the worries and stories and simply appreciate all the gifts that are provided to us, our whole day could be turned around. Maybe even our entire life might change. Gratitude is a truly profound way of being. It's not just an emotion or intention. It's not just a habit. It's an entire outlook on life, a way of being. And as everything in life, it can be practiced. Masterliness comes through practice. How can we practice gratitude? By facing the joyful and challenging moments of our life with an attitude of thank you. Thank you for the pleasure, but also thank you for the challenge. It helps me to grow. If I would be only lying in my hammock, only latte macchiato and caramel syrup moments in my beach hammock, if it would be only about the sweet sunny moments in summer, we wouldn't have any resilience. And also, we wouldn't really grow up and develop maturity. So, being thankful also for the challenging moments, which in hindsight makes sense. In retrospect, we can connect the dots. In the moment, the mind likes to complain. What can we do about the complaining mind? Take a deep breath and let go with an exhalation. Drop all those concerns. And then we can counterbalance a contracted emotion by cultivating its opposite. That was recommended by the sage Patanjali some 2000 years ago in the Yoga Sutras. In the beginning of chapter 1, somewhere Sutra 33 or so, Patanjali speaks about counterbalancing an emotion by cultivating its opposite, neutralizing, harmonizing this anger, this fear, stress, contraction by cultivating the opposite. And one of the foundational opposites is gratitude. Let's explore that in a short sitting meditation practice where we try to apply this wisdom, where we practice what we are exploring in these teachings. So assume a comfortable and upright pose. Take a deep breath in to open your chest and your heart. And then with an exhalation, let go, close those eyes, soften the muscles, and pause in stillness. Take another deep breath in through the nose and a long breath out through the nose. Pause after exhale. Continue to breathe smoothly. Opening the heart with each and every breath. And with this softness in the heart, We welcome any sensation or emotion. We embrace even the challenges and difficulties. Welcoming all circumstances with gratitude. Breathing it all in. Receiving life with an open heart. Trust and surrender. Keeping those eyes closed. Feeling the appreciation in heart center, the warmth and radiance. And then gently moving the spine. And actually bringing a big smile onto your own lips. And then gently opening those eyes. And facing the world with an attitude of gratitude. Whatever happens next in your day, approach it with this heartfelt attitude of thank you. This appreciation, even for the challenges, can make the whole difference. It can transform your way of seeing the world. It can transmute, radically shift your own way of being and how you meet others on the path. All the best. Trusting that you can stay centered and maybe even thankful when the challenges and obstacles will come our way. Curious to explore other chapters of this heart opening journey together. See you soon.